Hello everyone, welcome to Global Disaster News. According to United States Geological Survey, an earthquake of 4.3 magnitude felt in Peru. Depth of this earthquake is 126 km and this earthquake felt on April 23, 2022. Local time is 4:39 am. Nearby towns and cities 34 km south of Estrella. Weather at epicenter at time of quake, broken clouds 22.6 degrees centigrade, 73 Fahrenheit, humidity is 88% and wind is 1 meter per second from west and north. Estimated release energy from this quake is 49.4 megawatt hours, which is equivalent to 42.5 tons. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates about earthquake. Also do share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.